What's up? Today I have either what could be potentially one of the coolest RC things I've ever seen or one of the worst ideas ever. Either way, you're going to want to stick around for this. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Popeye and Amelia are inside hanging out, and we are the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Guys, today we have what I think could potentially be one of the coolest things ever, or definitely the biggest waste of money ever. It's going to all depend on how it flies, but I want you to see this a little closer. This is a drone. It comes with this little surfer guy. Normally I do these close shots after the video if I like it, but this is kind of the selling point.
Look at the muscles they put on that guy.
He is ready to go. You gotta be G.I. Joe if you're gonna control that drone. He can, look at that, head all the way around. So, all right, it's actually a very good design. He's got these little notches in the back of his boots. You put the toes in first, and then the heels clip in, sort of. And he can surf. There's also something else he can do I'll show you guys in just a second, but look at the innovation of the drone itself. This is really cool. We've got two props facing down, two facing up. And look at this, the side-by-side shot really is different. We've not seen anything like this. This is kind of like a dream come true for me. This guy's getting to live the dream before I get to. I don't know if I like that. Good little transmitter. I like the design of this. It's unique. I've never seen this style before. I'd like to see this transmitter on more drones. Sheen, if you hear this video, if you're watching this video, this is a cool design. It's small, but it's also a good size at the same time. Everything is labeled. I just want to fly this thing. Doesn't that just look awesome? Also, comes with two batteries, and they are removable and universal in the bottom. Let's fly. Guys, if you like this little drone, we'll have it linked in the description box below. You absolutely have to check it out. There's just two different modes. I can't wait to show them both to you. I can't tell you which way is front, back, or whatever, but I do know it's altitude hold. It should be easy to fly, and we have an auto takeoff button, so let's hit it.
Well,
oh my gosh, it's working. Now let me just try to figure out which way is forward.
yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I think, yeah, okay. The little blue light is forward, so I love this. This is amazing. Why has it taken them so long? This is so cool. Look at that.
Hilarious.
Oh my gosh. So blue light is forward. I could either make him fly like he's surfing, you know?
Yeah.
Because I could side strafe.
Yeah.
And this is easy to fly, guys. I'm basically hands-free right now. Or he can fly forward like his chest into the wind, right?
It's fast,
now,
too.
we have rates, so boom, 2 rates.
I thought he was fast already.
3 rates. Look at that little stunt guy. Oh, come on.
I want to see him do a flip.
How
Does
could
he
you?
have flips?
He does have flips.
No
Let's
way.
do it. Yep. Okay, flip button. Let's fly up a little bit here. Look at this. Okay, flip button 3, 2, 1. You just hold it. I cannot believe that worked.
That didn't even.
That was a
altitude.
really good flip. Why is this flying better than some of the regular style drones? Here we go. You ready for this?
Do it a little to the left.
A little to the
up.
left, right, and up some?
Yep.
Like
Yeah,
in the
go.
clouds, or
Yeah.
oh, right there?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. 3,
You lost it.
3, 2. It's hard. The wind is blowing. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! That was like a stunt flip. He kept
Okay,
going.
one more. I want to do like a backflip. That is so cool, Abby. Oops, sorry. Trying to keep it in place. Okay, now I don't know how the battery life is going to last on this, but there is a demo button, so I want to hit that. Yeah. Let's see. I want to hit it now. Demo. So he's just, it's kind of doing some like pirouette looking things, kind of like a cyclone. Yeah, okay, so I'll hit that again. I'll do it out here. You ready?
Yep.
Demo. So what it does is just kind of flies in like a circle. See? That's totally hands-free. If you guys don't believe me.
Try again. I can't get you in him. There you go.
That's amazing. So amazing.
That's so cool. I'm cracking up. It's so funny.
There's an emergency stop button so I could catch it.
Now he's going to show you the other mode.
Look at this. It only took me about a minute to put that together. It just little plastic
That is so
parachute,
cool.
and it comes with everything you need to get them to do this. Now there's a special way to turn it on. I know it's harder for you guys to hear me right now. You turn the drone on, then you have to hold the rate button and turn that on. And now it's in parachute mode, which I don't know why there's a different mode. It probably flies maybe less sensitively or something.
Wow.
I want to try to hit auto takeoff.
Auto take off.
Maybe. It wants to be level.
We'll put it on the ground. Oops. I had to put it on the ground. And then bind it. Here we go, here we go. Oh no, we hit the rock. You just killed your man. Man down.
Isn't that amazing? So you can take off from the ground. I really was worried about that. I'm gonna get it closer for you. Increase the rates.
You gotta do some cyclones or something cool.
I'm going to. Look at this. Look at this. This might be my favorite drone ever. I can't believe I'm saying this, but oh my
so
gosh.
funny.
I'm buying more of these. This is awesome. Wow. Okay, let's get him up high in the sky for parachute mode, right? Look at that. Look at that. I'm flying a drone parachute, guys. Cyclones?
I want to see him do cyclones.
He loses some altitude with crazy cyclones. But I am in rate 3. I mean, this is a bit more of an actual parachute. So you got to not fly in as much wind in this mode, I think. I'm giving it all up. Let's see if he can do a flip really fast before I lose it.
Oh, wow.
I think that's why you put it in parachute mode, because it can't do flips in this mode.
Oh, that would be cool, though.
Look at this, though, guys. Is this not the coolest drone you've ever seen? It has 2 modes. The transmitter is actually a really good design, very easy to fly because this has altitude hold. I like surfing mode, I think, a little bit more as far as like flight goes, but as far as the way it looks, this parachute mode is so awesome. So awesome.
Save some battery for the end so you can get a cool thumbnail.
Okay, fair enough. Emergency stop.
Oh.
Abby was trying to tell me to save a little juice for the thumbnail so we could take a picture of this while it's flying, but she forgets that we have another battery. I want to finish flying this and see how much longer it will do on its own. So I'm just going to hit auto takeoff and see if it'll take off from my hand. Yep, ouch, ouch, ouch.
Don't do that, apparently. Oh, it's
That's
so
so
cool.
awesome.
I love it.
So awesome. I can't believe it worked.
I can't either. I thought it was going to be just a gag.
As I said at the beginning of this video, it's going to be the
So
coolest thing you've ever
funny.
seen, or the biggest waste of money. Absolutely the coolest thing I've ever seen. And it's
And
just
not a
toy.
waste of money.
No.
Right? You
I'm
like
going
it?
to buy like 5 more of these.
It's so funny.
This is amazing. If this isn't sold out by the time the video is over, I'll be surprised, because this is just one battery that you guys have seen. Let's hit demo. Nice, we can do the demo on this mode. Look at that.
Demo.
It's doing a little better than what I could do, but it is losing a little altitude. With a lot of steep pitch, it loses the altitude, so keep that in mind. And just don't fly it in this parachute mode on a windy day. But wow, a lot of control over this. Very easy to fly. 2 batteries, and that is it for the battery. So I'm gonna hit emergency stop. Awesome. I mean, I gotta hear from you in the comments below. Is this not the coolest RC toy you have ever seen? And it actually works really well. Guys, you can fly it inside. It has those prop guards all over it. It's small enough to fly inside, but obviously capable enough to fly outside. And check this out, it's so easy to do the transformation. You just pop the little parachute piece off. These are little, they just hook in, like the little clear plastic rubbery thing just hooks in place. Unhook that. They're just tabs in the back of him and in his hands that move up.
That's so cool.
Amazingly, so easy. Anyone can do that. And then he just snaps in place and he's on his hoverboard. So cool. I am very jealous of this little G.I. Joe looking guy. And again, great job on the transmitter. They could have reused a generic stupid transmitter that we've seen 1,000 times, but that's unique. 2 AAA batteries, rechargeable batteries here. You can remove it with this little battery panel on the bottom. I absolutely love this. I am so impressed. I was doing the wrong side. Battery panel just pops open. Nice little LiPo in there. Very, very cool. Charges via USB cable, so you can do this just about anywhere. That's a keeper. You won't see this on our eBay store ever. You guys need to pick one of these up. It's a must-have. eSheen knocked it out of the park with this little guy. Again, linked in the description box below. We'll also pin a comment with this so you can find the best deal on it. We'll have the best price pinned there for you. Buy 2 or 3. Save 1 for a gift for Christmas. This will make people smile. So easy to fly. Anyone can fly this. If you want another fun idea to pair up with this drone, we'll have a video linked at the end. When all the cartoon animation stuff pops up and you know it's the end of our video, be sure to click that video because it's one that we will have recommended for you to pair nicely with this little surfer, hoverboard, parachute guy. But seriously, if you just do one thing today, do yourself a favor. You've earned it. Buy this for you. And if you want to make people in your life happy, pick a couple more up for them. Amazing. Guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!